Hello, my name is Jarno and welcome to Fractured Rider. Today is a gear day, and it's especially filming gear day, because UPS delivery guy just brought my new GoPro 10. I was planning to buy a 9 a while ago, but then I was talking to Joshua from Chicken Sendies and asking like pros and cons about the cameras, and he tipped me off that if you're not in a hurry, wait a while because the 10 is coming out and check into that. So thanks Joshua, I bought myself a 10 now. So I'm gonna do small unboxing and pack my stuff. Okay, so here's the 10 package. I got the special bundle version of it, so it comes with these little accessories are included. So we have an extra battery clip, different kind of clip and tripod, and of course all the extra normal stuff we got there. So we just rip this open over here. We get the nice case. Don't get this anymore. So, and also it came with a 32 gigabyte memory card with it, but we don't need that. First off, and then need to update it first. Alright. We got mounts, few mounts. The screws, what you need with them. Curve it. Oh yeah, this is it's got a clip mount thing. 2 batteries. Yes, charging cable. And here we have the tripod over here. Yes, there's the tripod. Nice and easy. Also works as a handle. And here we have that. It's much bigger than the old one I got. Alright. Here's the seat wheel. Oh well, I'm gonna fix this up and update it and charge the batteries and go for a ride. And I'm gonna see you guys over there. Okay, welcome back. So there was 3 different settings and test runs during the last weekend, and I'm still trying to find out what's the best setting for me. But I think 4K and 24 frames per second is the one I'm gonna go. Maybe turning it to 60 sometimes. But what comes to hyper smooth, I think with this normal lens it crops so much about the image that you lose quite a lot, as you can see from test run 1 and test run 2. But hey, I'm gonna continue playing around with this one. And oh yeah, about the sound settings, I still have the sound settings are now in auto mode, because I would like to keep them in stereo mode, but of course then the wind is picking up. So if anyone knows this kind of thing for 10, give me a comment, drop a comment on it over there. So that's about it. So see you guys later. Bye.